end of last year, we received an inherited IRA. My wife's mother passed. And so my question is fairly simple, and that is, she was in her 90s, so we now have that IRA, and I was wondering about RMDs. I have Fidelity. So is that going to happen automatically, or do I need to be in contact with Fidelity to make the RMDs happen out of that?
You do. You do need to be in contact with them. It is your responsibility to initiate those. There are some very few products or accounts that I've seen that will just automatically send things out, whether you request them or not, just because there is an RMD due. But with the new changes that we saw starting January 1st of 2020, prior to then, if you inherited an IRA, you had a couple of different choices on how to take the money out. Of course, you could take it all out all at once and pay the taxes on it, or you could spread it out, and depending on what the details were surrounding the situation. You might have had 5 years to get it out, or most likely you had the rest of your life to get it out, and your RMDs were just based on life expectancy, and there was a minimum amount that you had to take out every year. Well, since the rules changed January 1st of 2020, if you inherited an IRA after that time, which sounds like the case since it was last year for you, you've got 10 years to get the money out. So you can do it a little bit at a time, or you can do it by the end of the 10th year. It's up to you how you do it. So there's not going to be something that's calculated. There's not going to be an amount that you have to take out this year. So you can put it off if you want to, but you just have to remember that if you grow the money inside that account, not only are you growing it for you, but you're growing it for the government too, because there is an embedded tax liability there.